The fastest path to losing weight always starts in the kitchen, but what percentage of people actually enjoy cooking and preparing their meals? We'll reveal that surprising answer later. If you're an individual that dislikes counting calories and any of the tiny nuances involved with dieting, then the plate diet might just be what you're searching for. No matter the time period, there are numerous diets constantly appearing claiming to be more effective than the last, and with no shortage of individuals looking to lose weight the quickest, it can be difficult to decide which is best for you. The plate diet is a simple but effective model for weight loss because it provides a visual way to avoid eating foods with higher carbs that affect blood sugar levels, thus avoiding having to count calories. This method of eating focuses on dividing your plate into imaginary sections where each section holds a specific group of food while taking your goals, taste, and lifestyle into consideration. Sounds really simple, doesn't it? In today's video, we'll be going through 13 tips to understand before embarking on the plate diet to successfully lose weight. Stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to get notified of our latest video. Number 13. Learn portion sizes. To have successful portion control, you need to research healthy portion size. Many people usually swing into dieting and end up overestimating how much they actually eat. If the option is available for you, consider visiting a professional nutritionist to visually demonstrate the correct portion sizes. You can also search on the internet for portion control guides to keep handy wherever and whenever. Number 12. Don't overestimate your desserts. It's no secret that there are certain foods you have to limit no matter what form of eating you choose to follow. While you don't have to remove desserts entirely from your diet, it's important that these are portioned correctly as well. As I just mentioned, we have the tendency to overestimate how much we eat, especially when it comes to our sweet tooth. When you go on the internet and search for portion guides, you'll see that they also have these for desserts. Number 11. Avoid eating too fast. The majority of us are used to a rushing lifestyle, and for some of us, we've even gone to the extent of making eating habits a hurried affair. When you do this, you're not giving your brain the time it needs to understand that you are full, which can result in you wanting to eat more than intended no matter what diet you're currently on. Another bad habit is eating while watching TV or surfing the internet. You will not pay attention to the amount of food you're consuming and increase the chances of overeating as a result. Avoid distractions by taking small bites, chewing properly, and concentrating on your meal until it's done. Number 10. Cut restaurant servings in half. Studies have gone to show that dining out is the main source of overeating thanks to the large portion sizes being served by many restaurants. When you do go out to eat, try cutting your meals into halves. Just eat one portion and save the rest for another time. Depending on the restaurants, some may be able to accommodate their meals to your liking, thus not requiring you to pay for a full meal, and most restaurants have a lean menu to choose from as well. Another excellent option to consider is splitting the food with a friend. This tactic will help you in any weight management program while not entirely cutting out the meals offered at restaurants. Number 9. Distance yourself from extra foods. Fostering healthy eating habits can be a daunting experience, and having food within an arm's reach makes it easy to overeat even when you're not hungry. The plate diet can benefit you greatly with this dilemma. You will only sit down to eat with the correct portion on your plate. It is the perfect decision for those looking to manage their weight. Another way to avoid overeating is to hide leftovers, desserts, and snacks. These extra foods have the reputation of causing unwanted weight gain. You can also opt to ration the amount of food being cooked. The strategy is ideal for dieting and shedding extra weight without becoming malnourished. Number 8. Choose proper filling foods. Are you part of the 97% of the population struggling with the issue of overeating? If you are, it could be the probable reason behind the unwanted weight gain. Choosing filling foods will help you eat less, and according to science, whole grains and lean proteins are excellent choices to regulate your eating habits. Going for soluble fibers for breakfast and a bowl of soup before the main dish is a great way to take the edge off your appetite. You can even try something as little as eating 3 whole fruits each day. The high fiber content will make you fill up faster and eat less, so make sure your plate diet model has apples, oranges, and grapefruits. Number 7. Avoid eating from a container. Statistics show that many of us tend to eat out of the serving bag or container. Unless they are snacks that are already properly proportioned in their packaging, it's best to make those snacks a part of your plate meal. If snacking is something you struggle with, filling up the plate with veggies and a salad is an excellent option. You can then use the plate method to divide the remaining half with starch and protein, which will enable you to eat less and inhibit the urge to reach for the second round. Number 6. Avoid nibbling if cooking. Nibbling on food while cooking sounds impossible, especially if it's really good food. Did you know only 10% of Americans actually enjoy cooking? It's no wonder that meal plan subscriptions have taken off over the past decade. Sampling while cooking is actually a practice that is rooted in us since ancient times. We learned this habit from our parents in the name of tasting salt levels in the food. However, this no longer is in our best interest because this habit will tempt you to sample more foods before finalizing the task, thus increasing our risk of overeating. Another crucial habit to resist is eating leftovers on the child's or spouse's plate. The extra calories from these plates might hinder the success of a healthy eating lifestyle and take away from our hard-earned efforts. Number 5. Choose calorie-set snacks. Snacking is another way of overeating. Many of us don't pay attention to how much we eat, creating a loophole for gaining unwanted weight. As briefly mentioned earlier, there are many healthy snacks available in the grocery store that are packaged individually with a set amount of calories to help with portion control. A great example of this are the nut variety snack packs that are readily available everywhere. According to science, young people tend to consume an average of 526 calories from snacks in just a single day. This is more than the normal body requirement and may result in being overweight. While the plate diet generally avoids counting calories, avoiding calorie-filled snacks and focusing on healthy and packaged ones will go a long way in maintaining your portion control. Number 4. Measure food portions. Did you know eating the right amount of each food is part of the plate diet? The plate diet model is all about understanding the serving sizes, making it a perfect choice for individuals looking to cut down on weight. When you're in the middle of your grocery shopping haul, read the information on calories, fat, and sodium before buying a food package. Eating double the size implies that your calories and fat content in the body will be twice as much, and too many carbs and fats in the diet will foster unnecessary weight gain. Number 3. Adjust your plate size. If you find yourself still overeating, try switching to salad plates at mealtimes. The size of our dinner plates have grown dramatically over the past few decades, making it easy to go over your portions. The plate diet is all about visual representations, and changing the size of your plates will help you properly choose the right portions. Number 2. Conduct weekly weigh-ins. A lot of people tend to perform daily weigh-ins to monitor their progress, but if you're not seeing what you want to see, it may impact your self-esteem and any positive momentum you have, especially in the beginning. Checking in once a week will not only help you maintain a healthy mental state throughout the journey, it will allow you to make adjustments to your portion control if needed. And finally, number 1, benchmark your caloric intake. The purpose of the plate diet is to develop a really good visual estimation of how much of the foods you are eating are enough for you to consume. However, getting the numerical baseline of how many calories your body needs in order to lose weight will further help you improve on that. For example, if you don't exercise and are simply looking to lose weight on your diet alone, then your nutritional requirements will be less compared to the person that exercises at the gym 5 times a week. 4 plates of food in a day might be what an avid CrossFitter could get away with and still lose weight, but the average office worker that does no physical activity would gain weight despite eating all healthy foods in those 4 plates. Simply go online and search for a calorie calculator to input the details of your physical activity to get an accurate estimation of how many calories you should be eating in a day. Doing this will increase your chances of being successful while on the plate diet. If you'd like to learn more about how to start your caloric deficit right now, check out the link on the top right of your screen for our video that breaks down this process in depth. Just make sure to grab a pen and paper to jot down some notes. So there you have it, 12 tips you need to understand before starting a plate diet to successfully lose weight. Do you know anyone that has been on the plate diet before? What has their experience been like? Share with us in the comment section below. If you like today's topic, let us know by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Now, check out this related video to see more. Until next time.